Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be making this delicious salad. So first we need about 2 medium-sized tomatoes, romaine tomatoes to be precise, but you can use any tomato of your choice. So that's equivalent to about a pound of tomatoes. Then slice up 1 whole English cucumber into the salad bowl. And I just love cucumbers because it just keeps me hydrated, you know. Next, I'm gonna use 1 whole avocado. You know what? You can use 2 if you want, but for this recipe, I just choose to use 1. And be careful when you're taking out the seed because it's kind of slippery. Be careful when you're using the knife. I did that off camera. Next, we need an onion. You can use 1 full red onion, but I just use half. I just love onion in this recipe because it adds color and flavor to the salad. Of course, we need our lettuce. You can use cilantro if you want, but I and cilantro, we don't really do so well, so that's why I prefer to use lettuce. As you can see, my bowl was kind of small, so I did a greater quantity today. I usually don't do that. Anyways, put 2 tablespoons olive oil into the salad. Then about 2 teaspoons lemon juice, ½ teaspoon black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Now mix everything together, and there your salad is done. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to try this at home and let me know your thoughts, of course. And finally, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.